All right, guys, let's try one more example. We're still working on compound inequalities, and here's a new example here. We have this compound inequality. It's one using the word or, so if you remember, what we're looking for is the union of the solutions to each one of these separate inequalities. So as we did with the previous example, we'll go ahead and solve them separately. I'll add 2 to this one on both sides. I'll have 24, and then I'll have 4m here, and I'll go ahead and divide by 4. That means that 6 is greater than or equal to m, or it means that m is less than or equal to 6. I like looking at it with the variable on the left-hand side. Okay, we've solved this side, and I'm going to go ahead and make a union of that with the other side. I'll subtract 5 from both sides. I'll have negative 3m is less than or equal to negative 18. And then I'll divide by negative 3 on both sides. Remember, when you divide by a negative, you have to flip the symbol of inequality. So I'll flip that from less than or equal to greater than or equal to. And now I have positive 6. All right, so we have this and we have this. And we have the union of those. What does that look like on a number line? Well, all right, let's put 5, 6, 7. So if I look over at this side here, I have a filled in circle. M is less than or equal to 6, and I'm going to combine that with m is greater than or equal to 6. That almost looks like a snitch from Harry Potter, doesn't it? Look like the golden snitch? We don't want to leave our answer looking like the golden snitch. In this situation, what we're really saying is any real number. Here's my number line underneath. This looks like the way we would graph an identity. Any real number is going to either be less than or equal to positive 6 or greater than or equal to positive 6. So in set notation, all we would really have to say is m such that m equals a real number. So when you're working on these compound inequalities, recognize that sometimes you're going to get different situations, different solutions. And my advice is always start over here with the graph and do some thinking about what that looks like.